Okay, so if you follow me on Instagram, which you should if you don't, my name is just Isabel Heider on there, and I have definitely been going through a journey. So I have not posted here on YouTube, gosh, I think in 2 years, just about. And I was on a roll. I was so excited. I was doing exactly what I wanted to be doing. I was talking about makeup. That's just like my first love. And my skincare. As you can see, my skin is totally like healed, basically. And I was sharing my journey with that, with you guys on YouTube and on Instagram. And then my Instagram kind of like just really was a place for me to fully express myself, and YouTube takes a lot of work. I'm gonna post this video and I'm not really gonna edit it much, so be gentle. And I was just expressing to my friends on Instagram that I have considered like deleting posts because I just don't follow the same things that I used to anymore, as far as food, makeup, hair care, lots of stuff. And I look at my most viewed video and it has almost 2,000 views. I'm like, wow, that's so amazing. But a lot of that stuff that I put in that video for my snack videos and stuff, I don't even eat that stuff anymore because I'm so conscious of ingredients now and labels and reading lots of stuff. And it's like I almost feel like oddly guilty for like leaving it up there because I don't want other people to like eat a lot of that stuff too, or like the makeup. Like I don't want you to feel like you have to put on all this makeup, but it is so much fun and it's such a great community to be a part of, or it used to be. I guess the next thing to do would just be to like post what I actually do now. And I'm just leaving it. I think I just decided to leave those other posts on YouTube and my Instagram just to show you that I have been going through a journey, and I don't want to fake like, oh, I never used to do that, or ew, I can't believe somebody else does that. Like, how could somebody else ever do something like that or eat that way? I used to do it. I used to wear it. I used to live it. So I don't want to be above anybody else in any way, and I don't want to lie. Again, like I said, like it's only really been a couple of years that I've really been considerate of healthier options. And then within the last year and a half, I would say it's been way more prominent, and I've been, I don't know, paying attention. So with that being said, I think that it is okay for you to change your mind. And that's with anything too. We're all human and we all have the ability of choice here on earth. So if you decide that something is not healthy for you anymore, then cut it out. It's definitely up to us. We have to take charge. We have to take charge of our own health and what we are putting on our body, feeding our bodies with, around our bodies, and that goes with like who you hang out with, and next to like candles, it's really your environment. So, pay attention to also like music that you listen to and stuff like that. It's important, okay? It is. On my Instagram, I share more about my journey. I don't really go too much in depth. I kind of do on some posts, but I'm mostly just sharing like what I do in hopes that maybe it would be interesting to somebody else, especially if they're looking for a different option, like I have been. And I like to follow posts that make me think about the choices that I'm having, and provide me with other options, basically. So if you want to know what I'm doing on a more regular basis, I would say follow me over there. I just really wanted to come on YouTube and kind of explain the absence. I know I have 127 subscribers, and I don't know, I was really into posting, so I really miss it, and hopefully you guys wouldn't mind a content transition like I have done on my Instagram.